It's all about building habits, and people are afraid from using variables. But with these small steps that you can apply every single design, every single day, we can build these habits. So let's start using variables with this simple technique. I want you to click here, variables, and let's create our first number variable. I will call this none, and the value is going to be 0. The next one is going to be extra small, and let's put 4. And when it is selected, I can use the shortcut Shift and Enter to create the small version of it. So let's put 8. And then medium, 16. Bam. I'm gonna do large, 24. X large, 32, and full 9999. So we have our first collection, and let's call this collection, let's say, foundation, because they are going to be the foundation layer of my variables. And I will come back to the design now and create a button from scratch. Online courses, done. 16 pixels. So let's put this in an auto layout, Shift A, and call this one a button. And of course, give a background color, and always orange. So let's look at our button. I have too many unknowns. Something like this padding, this one, see, they are all coming from random numbers. So instead of writing from these numbers, and let's start with the font size, for instance. Instead of choosing from here, let's choose from my variable. So I would like to have this large. Okay. The second thing is, let's come to my button, and I will create this thing pretty big, something like 32. And this one, maybe 8 is okay for now. But let's do the appearance corner radius full, something like this. And now let me add one icon, feather icons, something like this. Thank you. So this is going to be also white. Let's drag that in. And I would like this button to have a variable of 4, extra small. So you see, instead of giving random numbers, I can then select from my variable. So this small technique will help you build the habit. In the next part, I'll be covering the color as well. So stick around and hope to see you in the next one. Cheers.